Eric here at 5 Minute Music, where we talk about the gear that you need and we give you lessons to help you get better. Thank you for tuning in. Today, it's a gear review. I want to talk about the Dunlop Max-Grip pick in 0.73 millimeters thickness. This is a great pick for you to use if you're just starting out. Even if you've been playing for a while, but if you're first starting out, you're trying to figure out, there's a million picks out there. This is a good one to pick, pun intended. So let me talk about this. The first reason I love this pick is because of the Max-Grip technology. Take another look at this real quick. See that? See those little notches? They actually are raised bumps. They stick up from the top of the pick. And they really do improve the grip on this pick. When you're first starting out playing, or even if you've been playing for a while, if your hands get real sweaty, if you're nervous, or you're just a sweaty person, your pick can slip out of your hand pretty easily, more easily than you would think. This helps to prevent that. So I'm going to grip this. Watch this. I'm going to grip it. I'm going to pull on it. It comes out, but I had to give it a good amount of pull. I'm going to use a different pick that doesn't have the Max-Grip technology. This is a Tortex, also in 0.73. So I'm going to grip it again. Watch. Literally, I'm not changing how I'm holding it. It comes out that much easier. Now, I love the Tortex pick, but this pick really does stay in my hand better. So, first reason I love this, it's the Max-Grip technology. It really holds in your hand very well. Second, the 0.73 thickness. I think it's a good weight to go with, and I'll tell you why. It's not too thin. It's not going to be like a piece of paper flimsy in your hand, and it's not too thick like a wood chip where it's going to be digging through the strings. It's going to give a little bit. Now, there are reasons to go for a really light pick or a really thick pick, but if you're just starting out, kind of going with the middle ground is going to give you a good start. And this pick does have a little bit of flex to it, but it's going to give you really good articulation. It's going to make the notes speak really clearly. It's going to have a little bit of brightness to it, but a warm tone too. So the thickness is really good, starting in the middle. And then as you get more experienced, you might want to go with a pick that's thicker, a 1 millimeter or greater. But this one, I found if I'm playing strumming or if I'm soloing or digging in, playing more aggressively, heavy music, this pick's going to do a really good job for you. So the Max-Grip is going to help it stay in your hand. The thickness, it's a good thickness to start out with. And also, it's durable. This material, it's nylon. It holds up really well. So you're not going to play for a couple minutes and have notches in the side of your pick. It's going to hold in there. So it's going to hang in there. So I highly recommend this pick. Go down to your local guitar shop and try several out. And just try this out. But I think you're going to find this is really good. And if you want to get it, below, I'm going to have a link to pick up this pick on Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. So you go click on it and you can pick up that pick. Pick up a 12-pack, try it out, and see if you like it. I think you're going to find that this pick is going to be a good one to have in your arsenal. So thank you for tuning in to 5 Minute Music, where we're just going to work on regularly giving you gear reviews and lessons and tips to help you get better. So thank you, God bless, and have a great day. Bye.